Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Heinz 57 steak sauce. Hit it! Alright, well thanks a lot for watching. If this is your first time joining us, please go down and hit that subscribe button and then hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make Heinz 57 steak sauce. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are. We are going to start out with 1.25 cups of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 3 to 5 drops of hot sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Let's mix it up. Alright, with a bowl big enough to hold all of these ingredients, we're just going to start adding the ketchup. And the recipe will be in the description box below with the yield, which is about 1.5 cups. Got our ketchup in there, then we get our mustard, our Worcestershire, apple cider vinegar, the hot sauce. I'm using, I think, Texas Pete's. I got like about 1 million of these in my drawer in my refrigerator. A little bit of salt and pepper in there. Then I'm just going to use our whisk. We're going to whip this all up. Alright, I'm going to continue whipping this up. We're going to put it into a separate bowl. We're going to get that separate bowl into hair and makeup, and then we're going to do a photo shoot with some music. Don't go away. We got it mixed, we got our pictures, got some groovy music on those pictures. There's your sauce. Once again, it looks like it, it smells like it, it's got the texture of it. So let's give it a taste, see if it tastes like it. Yep, it's a little ketchupy, a little bit different, but it, you know, let it sit for a little while, let those flavors marry, it might change it up a little bit. That's good. I don't normally eat any kind of steak sauce on my steak. I like a good rub on it or something. That is spot on. That'd be good on a roast beef sandwich too. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to comment. And don't forget to like this video. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.